Before we had UAP hearings and aliens in the oceans, we had projects Sign, Grudge, and Blue Book. Project Sign, Project Grudge, and Project Blue Book were some of the very first studies done on unidentified flying objects by the U.S. Air Force. These projects were headquartered at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base and had two goals. One, to determine if UFOs were a threat to national security, and two, to scientifically analyze UFO data. All three projects were studying UFOs, but had different intents. Project Sign in 1947 focused more on the fact that UFOs were real. They were looking into UFOs with the slant that they were not made by the Soviet Union or the United States, but that they were in fact extraterrestrial. In 1949, Project Grudge swung to the other side of that thought process. Project Grudge concluded that all UFOs were misinterpretations or natural phenomenon, although 23% of the reports could not be explained. And then we have Project Blue Book that went from 1952 to 1969. It was kind of the happy medium between both Sign and Grudge. So between the years of 1947 when Project Sign started and 1969 when Project Blue Book ended, they had collected information on over 12,618 sightings. Most were determined to be misidentification of natural phenomenon like clouds and stars, or conventional aircraft. And at that time, there were secret aircraft that the public didn't know about, like the U-2 and the A-12. And those did account for some of the sightings. But 701 sightings were classified as unexplained, and that was after their rigorous analysis. By 1969, they had decided that the study of UFOs was not going to lead to any scientific breakthroughs, and Project Blue Book was officially terminated. Now, these three projects might have ended in 1969, but we know that the study of UFOs or UAPs continued, and all of that information is for another day. Follow along for more.